grade 4s.
Okay, hello grade 4s. We'd like to put another video out for you to watch and listen to help learn this canon that we've started doing in the class. This is a canon which we want to do in a major production in February at the Kanon Community Theatre. So we want to put together a great show. This is going to be with a whole bunch of classes together. Like last year we did Frere Jacques together, except this is going to be a bigger deal. We're going to be playing in a big theater in Kelowna. So what I want to do is play this for you first, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the music itself. 1, 2, 3. That's the tune. Okay, so now I want to just talk to you a bit about this piece. Some new things that are in this piece that we need to sort of make sure that we understand to make this work more effectively. This V here means we start up bow. Okay? But a new concept that's in this piece that we haven't done before are these slurs. These curved lines underneath these eighth notes. These curved line slurs mean that we put two notes on the same bow. Okay, and if you just look at what I just played for you, you'll notice that I played two notes on a bow at these spots. Okay, there, 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 and there.
And one more.
And there. Okay. These numbers, like this is a round song, and so these, I'm not sure how well these numbers come through, but there's entrances that happen at 4 stages in this. Okay, but so we spent a lot of time in class today just trying to teach the children to understand how to play two notes on the same bow. Okay, and it took quite a bit of doing, but most of them were getting it by the end. So
I'm going to show them that practice routine for the first stages in learning slurs.
Yes, and what we did today, so you might have to bring that out again so we can see this. We learned how to, like, all the songs we've had to this point always had just one note on a bow. For example, like Allegro. There's one bow on every note. But when we do this, with these slurs that I've just pointed out to you, we have to put two notes on a bow like this. And we spent a lot of time just having students do this. This is the first slur in that piece, which is the first and second finger on the D string. And we did this. And the bows, you can see how the bow works. So when we do it exactly right, there's half the bow for each of those two notes. The bow keeps the same speed, it doesn't slow down. And we did this lots of times. And then we played the beginning and we got, here's that slur. And then here's the next one. Etc. And then what we did was we took this one bar here and played it over and over again in a loop. So this first note, this D1, we played on a down bow because that slurs on an up bow.
Ta, ti, ti, ta, ta,
and we just played that over and over again,
ti, ti, ta,
like this.
ta.
And again. Notice how every bow is the same length. We just did that over and over again. Now, the other thing I need to show you about rhythm here, if we look back at the music here again, we have here a half note with a dot on it. And that dot makes the note longer.
By half its value.
Yeah, so the half note here, for example, that's worth 2 counts. This one is 2 plus 1 for a total of 3 counts. So this one is going to be slower in speed than that one. Okay? So what I'm going to do again here, I'm going to just play the whole thing over again. And so when you get to these dotted half notes here and here, I'm going to actually say 1, 2, 3 for the counts. Okay? I might even do that for the half notes. Okay? So here is the whole song again. And when I get to those half notes and dotted half notes, I'm going to actually say the 1, 2, 3 counts. Okay? Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, start. One, two, 1, 2, 3. And it repeats, etc., etc. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So hopefully that gives you enough help on that. So if you have trouble doing the slurs, just do them over and over again. The second slur is actually on 2 strings, like this. That would be worthwhile to practice too.
And so you can do a practice loop on that second complete measure. Over and over. Okay. The next slur is you can do a practice loop on the first measure of the second line. And so on. And you can practice slurs in creative, obviously creative, fun ways. You can start on an open string. Eventually, there's that E minor scale, which is the backbone of this Shalom round, printed on the same page, and you can practice that scale. And so on. The sky is the limit with slurs. It's like doing loop-de-loos. I teach my students slurs, and after a while they want to connect everything, and it's like learning to skateboard or something. It really, once you get the hang of it, you'll trust us. You'll have fun with these slurs, and they won't be hard. Now, Mr. Suderman, I think we should play this round in 2 parts, and then maybe even in 3 parts, if Sarah's done putting Mirabelle to bed. So come in and we'll play it in 2 parts, and we're going to do it in 4 parts with the other violin classes in February. So it's going to sound terrific. Come on in the picture.
You just got to get us both in here.
Okay. What we really need is a professional camera person, right?
Okay, I'm not sure if I'm in there or not. That should be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll do it 2 complete times, I think. Sorry, I should give you a count. So we're going to begin on beat 4. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and we're in on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a seasonally appropriate song as well. It's all about peace. That's what Shalom means in Hebrew. And it's a real classic, one of the most famous rounds worldwide, and a nice one for the winter season. Enjoy it, and watch for the next video, which will be Shalom in 3 parts. Okay?
Okay.